welcome to this episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West. If this is your first time on the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. In this channel, I try to dive deep into the forbidden topics in African spirituality, and I try to do a lot of scientific investigation to bring out a better understanding of various scientific concepts, and also to study the use of traditional medicine and spells that is found in African spirituality, with the desire to be able to bring more light to this very topic and to spread the awareness to people so that we can be able to advance and develop our African spiritual practices. So that being said, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome, and I want you to bring your inputs and your ideas of your views about African spirituality to this very place so that we can see if we can be able to discover solutions to many issues concerning African spirituality. So today I want to talk about a very powerful herb that they use in African spirituality, and this is a herb that is called Odi Aba. It's native to West Africa, and it's a very popular herb and also very mysterious. The English or botanical name for this particular seed is called Jatropha seed. I have done a video about the Jatropha leaf before. Please check my recent videos, you will see them there. Today I want to talk about the seeds of this very plant and what they use the seeds for. I've talked about the medicinal and spiritual properties of the leaf. Now I'm talking about the leaf, the seeds. These seeds is something that you're going to find in native Western Africa spiritual practice. They use it a lot for different elements, and what we have always known it for is that it is often used to drive evil spirits. The people that have been using it, this is what they use it for. They say it drives evil spirits from the environment or from the person, and if there is anybody that feels they are under attack or they are under the influence of a negative entity, or they are just having regular bad luck and things are not working well for them, they're having all sort of spiritual attack, this is one of the things that they use to fight this. And they also use it to purify and sanctify places. The way they use this Odi Aba is that some people burn it, they get the seeds, and they just burn it, light it on fire in inset or roaster, and let the smoke purify or seep into the environment. Maybe you want to purify your house, you use it like a smog. You just burn it in your house and clears the space, it clears the air. So people use it like this, and people also use it for baiting. The way some people use it for baiting is that they get the seeds, they peel it, and they soak it in bathing water. They mix it with coconut oil. They apply Bint Sudan. Some people use olive oil, but I believe Bint Sudan or six flower is much more powerful than the olive oil from Europe. So Bint Sudan works very well with this, and a little bit of salt, sea salt or rock salt or your regular table salt. You mix it with this solution, and you use it for baiting. That is the way some people use it. But there's another very powerful way to use this very thing, which is very effective. What you need to do is that you get your Odi Aba, then you get this Aidan fruit. I have done a video about Aidan fruit before. It's very powerful. They use it for cleansing, they use it for favor, they use it for good luck. So you're going to bring these two powerful herbs together, your Odi Aba, your Hadian fruit. The botanical name for that is a Tetrapura tetrapetra. The name is on the screen. Try to get these two things, then you get your Bint Sudan once again, or your 6 flower. Then you mix them together. You pound these items, create a solution. You mix them together. Then you add coconut water to it. If you don't have coconut water, you can get rainwater. This is rainwater that fell directly from the sky. That one is very, very powerful. It's like water of divinity. It has not been polluted. Water from the sky. Have a lot of spiritual symbolism. So when you use this rainwater, it's assumed that you are actually calling upon the celestial powers from the atmosphere into the spell. So a lot of people use rainwater when they want to try to call in maybe positive spirits from the air, from the celestial realm. The ones some people call angels. You add them into this solution, you mix it together, then you make your incantations. As you are mixing it, you ask for good luck, you ask for breakthrough, or you ask divinity to come down, whatever god you are calling, whatever name you are calling, any deity you are venerating, you ask for them to put their power upon this very thing you are creating, to so that it will work for you to destroy whatever evil that is affecting you. You should wash it away from your life, as the rain washes away evil, washing away bad things from the environment. So this energy should wash away this evil from you, should wash it from your body. So you mix it with the rainwater and your Odi Aba and your Adian fruit together, your coconut water as well, and your sea salt, and you use it to be bathing. You add this solution to your bathing water. Every time you want to bath, you just add a little, you bathe with it morning and evening. Just be doing this for at least 3 to 7 days. By then you would have totally washed all the bad luck or all the negativity from your body. You will know that you are now, your Haru is not clean, your spiritual etheric body is not clean of anything that is troubling you. If there is any spiritual attack anybody is sending your way, it will also stop it as well. This Odi Aba is used very much in the case of this so-called spiritual marriage astral parasite, whereby you will have a situation where somebody will be coming to make love to the person in the night without their consent. You can use this Odi Aba to stop that problem. It works very well. Once you start applying this Odi Aba to your body, those evil spirits cannot come close to you. Any evil spirit that is trying to come to you, those ones that are bringing loss, financial loss to your life, that are bringing bad luck or ill health, once you begin to bathe with this mixture, it will stop the attack automatically. So a lot of people use it for this very, very stuff, okay? So this is a powerful spell, powerful combination that you can use to stop spiritual attack, and you can use to bring favor, good luck to come to you, okay? So this is something you should try out. The Odi Aba, you get it in Nigeria. It's very common in Ghana, Nigeria, and West Africa. You can type the name online, Jatropha seed. You will get it. Try to get it, and try to get Aidan fruit. The two key things you need, they're two very powerful herbs, Odi Aba and the Aidan fruit. Get them together, get your spiritual ointment, get Bint Sudan, you get 6 flower. Of course, you can get your salt anywhere, rock salt, sea salt, and regular table salt. Then you get coconut. Mostly it's fresh coconut that just came from the tree. Those ones that have not touched the ground yet. Those ones that have they are still very fresh, still strong in power. You get those type of. Then you pound all these things together, mix them to create a solution. You put the solution in a bottle. Then you use this bottle. You pray on it, do your incantation on it, and anytime you want to bathe, you take a solution from this. You mix into your bathing water you use to be bathing. Okay, that is how people do it. So it's a very powerful spell, easy to do spell, and you should try it and see and tell me the results. So this is Odi Aba for you on this video. Please like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. Try to hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get my videos as soon as I release them. Then I also want to appeal to people that are interested in supporting my work, supporting my research. I have my PayPal account and my bank account on there. You can easily send your donations there. And please send me your name so that I will know that you are the ones that are supporting me. And also too, I will still be supporting you as well. Comments and questions are welcome. Like and share the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye. Peace.